Yeah, bro.
Nyarku, fish no when you now watch you, better on the same. Who kind is saying?
You're kind of fast.
Five cities.
Yeah, but that's a fast city.
To me and say, I am
Fast city.
3 fish I can see with. Me and say 5
fast city. You could go ahead.
Hey,
Yeah, bro.
fish me and say. You mean these 3 fish here for 5 cities?
Fast city.
Wow.
Hey, bro. I'm going on near ham. I'm going to ham.
It's a 1 person to say.
I'm percent. You're saying, yeah, 25 more.
And the fisherman who goes into this ocean, gets nothing, and he's selling 3 of that for 5 Ghana cedis, and even that they still want reduction. Oh.
Yeah, bro.
Tiadi and the man still a juma we would do here.
Oh, sir. 1 year, so windy. It's made you, mammy. Yeah,
Here and now,
and I'm no. We know as a monsieur or monkey. Monkey penny you on the walker baby.
Or not,
Oh, no, chip.
to know so you are
No, chip.
or do rap or try one as
I say, we many way are busy. It's a bit to Norway. Good to Norway. Son of Miss Medunia. It's a magazine in the net to the year. We in BBR.
I'm sure. People are working so hard here, but they get little. We need investors to come on this land. Get some boats for them, get some canoe for them, so that they can do real fishing. Because I've noticed that there are a lot of fishes just close. They don't even go far. They just stand along this side and they get a lot of fish. If you can come on board, God is going to bless all of us.